Hey all, long time. Sorry, I got stuck. I got stuck. Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a rut? Like a dead end, a circuit, like you're not moving forward or backward, or growing as a person? That's what stagnation feels like. Stagnation is like being in a state of limbo where you're really not moving forward, but you're not going backward either. And trust me, it's not a great place to be. I've been there. It's not at all a great place to be. I'll give you some real life examples of how stagnations look like. When a person is stuck in the same job with no career progression for years, or a company which is failing to adapt to new technologies and losing market share. Also, a stagnant economy with minimal growth, or a stagnant relationship which is lacking communication and development, or an individual who's feeling stuck in a routine with no hobbies, no new hobbies also, or no personal goals being pursued. So, what happens if we stay stagnant? Well, let me tell you. Firstly, we'll miss out on new experiences and opportunities. Think about it. You're not challenging yourself or trying new things. You'll never know what you're capable of, right? Until you try. Secondly, we become irrelevant. See, the world is constantly changing and evolving, and if we are not keeping up, we'll be left behind. So, do you want to, stay behind, or you want to stay relevant? Left to you. Thirdly, we lose our sense of purpose. When we're not growing or achieving our goals, we can start to feel lost and unsure of what we're doing. And lastly, stagnation can lead to depression, anxiety, and other mental issues. It's like being stuck in a never-ending cycle of boredom and dissatisfaction. So, what can we do to avoid stagnation? Firstly, let's set goals for ourselves. I'll make a separate video on how to set your goals. It's pretty easy. So let's firstly set our goals, what we want to achieve and what we want to learn. Secondly, let's take risks and try new things. It's scary. Trying new things is scary, I know, but it's also exhilarating. So try it. Thirdly, let's surround ourselves with people who inspire and motivate us. And lastly, let's be kind to ourselves. See, it's okay to make mistakes, and it's okay to not have all the answers. Okay? So, in conclusion, stagnation is a real thing and it can have serious consequences. But if we are aware of the risks and steps to avoid it, we can live a life that's full of purpose, growth, and excitement. So, let's make a promise to ourselves to never get too comfortable in a place, to always keep pushing ourselves, and to never stop learning. Never ever stop learning. Thanks for listening, everyone. I love you all. Take care. Bye. Subscribe my channel if you still haven't. Remember, growth is a lifelong process and it's never too late to start. Bye. Love you.